Welcome back to another episode of Hooligan Moto. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your oil in your Harley-Davidson model years 1999 to 2017. Let's dive in and see what tools you're going to need to tackle this job. The tools that you're going to need is a torque wrench, 3/8 extension, 5/8 socket, and a 3/8 drive ratchet. The first step is to take off your dipstick to ensure a proper flow of fluids out of your motorcycle. The second step is to take your 5/8 socket and remove the drain plug. Once the oil is finished draining, go ahead and put the drain plug back on. Torque it to 18 foot-pounds. All right, the third step is to remove your oil filter. Once you've done that, replace it with the new one. Make sure that you dribble a little bit of oil in your new oil filter before putting it on. Now it's time to fill her back up. Your motorcycle will take up to 2.5 to 3 liters of oil. Once you've filled it up, check your dipstick to ensure that you have the right amount of oil in your motorcycle. If it's correct, then go ahead and stick it back on. All right, y'all, there you have it. You now know how to change your oil in your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. Now get out there and ride. Just remember, keep the rubber side down.